I'm going to attempt to qualify you for the 8A certification in under 2 minutes. Let's go at it. There are 4 criteria that you have to meet in order to be eligible for the 8A certification. The first criteria is that the owner of the firm has to be what they call socially disadvantaged. So 51% or more of the firm has to be owned by an individual or a group of individuals that are both U.S. citizens, and usually at least 25% of their blood heritage needs to come from some form of minority group, or they must suffer from gender bias or handicap bias. The second criteria is that the owner of the firm has to be economically disadvantaged. The first one is that the owner of the firm cannot have made more than $400,000 per year on average for the last 3 years, and there are some exclusions that apply. The second is that the owner's net worth cannot exceed $850,000, excluding your primary residence, any money you have in a 401k or IRA. They also exclude the value of the business you're trying to get certified. And third, your total assets cannot exceed $6.5 million, irrespective of debt, but they do exclude your retirement accounts from the calculation. The third is what they call the potential to successfully complete federal contracts. There are 4 tests they apply there. The first test is the owner has to work full-time for the business. The second test is that the firm must have made a profit on its most recent tax return and have a positive net worth. The third is not more than 70% of the firm's revenue can come from a single source. However, if you work directly for the federal government and that's your largest customer, then they will waive that provision. And then finally, the firm had to have been in business for at least 2 years as evidenced by tax returns. There is a waiver for that, but give us a call if you have a question about the 2-year waiver. Finally, the fourth is control and affiliation. So the owner of the 8A firm has to be the person that manages and runs and controls the day-to-day operations of the firm. If the person that is applying for 8A is the original founder of the company and they have no business partners, generally there's not an issue. If you have any questions about control or affiliation, please give us a call. Hopefully this has been a valuable 2 minutes, and hopefully I achieved my goal of getting this done in under 2 minutes. Thanks.